Welcome to my channel All Insurance Hub.
In third attempt, I have only one wrong question and remaining I will be all are right questions. Only one question I will put a wrong answer. Remaining I will be clear. Only I will 38th I will be wrong. Twenty-ninth. Okay, 35th one I will put a wrong answer. Remaining all are right answer within the only third attempt. 50 questions I will be 49 right answers will be I am giving only one wrong answer. It will be the top for sure is only which is helpful to us. We will take a long term course. It will be number of attempt questions papers you will be get almost 100 and it is 70 papers are there in long. Which form is used to apply for application for grant of tourist vehicles? I think that is form 48. If you choose any wrong answer, they will reflect a with explanation in long term coaching. Actual right answer is form 45. Form 45 meaning is the commercial vehicle owner has to apply for various types of permit under various forms. The form used to apply for grant of tourist vehicle form 45. Right answer is which form is used to apply for application for grant tourist vehicles. It is form 45 is right answer. The cabin of tipper is almost similar to which vehicle? This is everyone know because it is a common truck. The cabin of a tipper is almost similar to common truck. Okay, explanation also automatically will be showing below. Explanation is the tipper or goods carrying transport vehicle is used for carry loose and bulk goods like mining material, sand, coal, etc. They have hydraulic system which left the load body for loading the material. The cabin of tipper is almost similar to common truck. Third question. For identification of motor insurance related fraud, one should have through knowledge of. This right answer is all the above. The identification of motor insurance related frauds అంటే మనకు ఫ్రాడ్స్ వేర్ విల్ బి అక్కర్ అంటే ఎక్కడి నుంచి మనకు తెలుస్తుంది ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ మోటార్ వెహికల్ యాక్ట్ ప్రకారం కానీ క్రిమినల్ ప్రొసీజర్ ఆఫ్ యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ మ్యాక్స్ సో ఆర్ ది ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆల్ ది అబౌవ్. Motor vehicle insurance is India was governed by Indian Motor Tariff effective from 1/8/1989 till to it is December 2016. The motor vehicle insurance India was governed by India Motor Tariff effective from 1/8/1989 to December 2016. An insurance fraud happening due to the involvement of insured person will be classified as a fraud due to. Insurance fraud happening, it's mean insurance fraud happening due to involvement of insured person. It is external fraud. In case in insurance company related, it is internal fraud. Natural fraud, evil, minor fraud, no. Only there is insured person, it means external fraud. The explanation will be given. External source, that is insuring public. Internal, that is insurer agents and intermediate. These all are internal. Internal meaning insurers, insurance company, or agents are intermediates. So the happening involved of the insured person meaning is external fraud. In the event of death of insured, the policy will remain valid from the death of until expiry of the policy, which is happens earlier. The most is 6 months. 3 months, it is wrong answer. Actually, in case any insured person is dead, the policy will be valid only 3 months. The policy will be automatically changed to any other person. He will submit this certificate. The insured can renew the policy online starting before expiry of the existing motor insurance policy. We can 60 days we will renewal before renewal the insurance policy in online only. Motor insurance cover is compulsory as per Motor Vehicle Act. It is section 146. Motor insurance cover is compulsory as per section 146 of Motor Vehicle Act. The general insurance company as administrative shall be paid a fee of the total premium on motor third party insurance business in respect of business underwriting for followed account. It is 2.5%. As per section 161, in respect of death of any person resulting from hit and run cases, the complement is fixed only 10,000. Wrong answer, it is 25,000. Explanation is as per section 161, in respect of death any person resulting from a hit and run motor vehicle, the compensation is fixed, it is 25,000. In case of private cars, driving license of person above the age of 50 years, we will easily understand every 5 years he will renew the DL. 5 years on the payment of risk. It is everyone know above 50 years persons he will renew the DL every 5 years. A proposal form electing full particulars are of settled and outstanding claims in which connection with any motor vehicle owned or driven by proposer during the last preceding years. It is 3 to 5 years. As proposal form effect, it is 3 to 5 years. No claim bonus is earned, only the own damage section of the package policy. Even just we know the no claim bonus is earned on the own damage. It is no. All the above, because no claim bonus is giving present all policies. It is road risk or internal road transit risk. We will give all policies present. We are giving no claim bonus. Also health insurance also giving the no claim bonuses. So all the above is right answer. The Tariff Advisory Committee data requirement is under three major sets. The data sets are, it is, you will know that underwriting policy data, underwriting policy data, claims paid data and input data. Underwriting policy data, premium collected data and input data. Underwriting policy data, premium collected data and output data. Policy issued data, no, only three major fact is underwriting policy data, premium collected and output data. Claims paid data and input data is right answer. First one is right answer. Claims for compensation of liability under the Motor Vehicle Act arise output negligence and fall under the law of torts. Torts law is area of the that protects people from bad acts of other. When a person commits a tort, they violate civil law. If a person is damaged by someone else wrongful act, they bring a claim for compensation against a person who committed the tort. Purpose of tort law is ensure the wrongdoers pay from the damage that they cause instead of victims. Dash is defined as active and efficient cause that sets in motion a train events which bring about a result without the intervention of any force. Started at working activity from a new and independent source. It is only close proximity causes we will independent sources. Proximate cases is a active and efficient. Tachograph which are instead to vehicle do not provide which following information. The braking system pattern tachometer is showing the speed levels. It's depending on the brake and speed. Global positioning, the tachometer is not showing the exact GPA, so it do not provide. We will clearly read the question before the choose a answer. It is given vehicle do not provide. It is only two. We will show the explanation. The tachograph is a device fitted to vehicle that automatically records the speed and distance together which the driver activity is selected from a choice of modes. The driver mode is activated automatically when the vehicle in motion. It thus may record distance traveled, stoppage and braking pattern. Tachograph does not provide global positioning of vehicle. The claim search system is used for to calculate premium on the car covered guarantee itself, insurer identify policy holder and claim history. It helps to detect. You will simply choose that claims are the system. It will be helpful to premium calculating and identify claim history and detecting fraud. So 2 and 3. It is used to calculate the premium on insurance. Wrong answer. It is only 2 and 3. It helps to insurance identify policyholder, claim history and detecting fraud. Only claim search. An example of pecuniary loss is loss marriage కాదు, damage of mental and physical sex, discontinue of any business, discontinues of any business. A person has got driving license by fraud, that the remains available to the license authority under Motor Vehicle Act 1988. The person can arrested as per the provision of criminal code. The person can be disqualified for the holding a license from the specific period. The person licensed can be revoked. All the 3. Third party cover as limited liability. In case of damage the property or vehicle, the third person. Third party liability only limited liability of 6,000, I think. Okay, right answer. Explanation is the third party cover the limited liability of 6,000 in case of damage the vehicle, property, third party person. It can extending maximum 7.5 lakhs. In two-wheeler it can be 1 lakh. Which of the following measures can be used for prevent frauds? Before issuing third party cover, proper identification and inspection of the vehicle should be done. Person involved in fraud should be strict criminal. The advocate should be instead or arrange for summons or bailable warranty, etc. For the non-cooperative witness and person representing stationary authorities. Prevented parts. I think all the above. The 3 measures should be taken the preventive parts. In case you any problem in choosing the right answer, you will learn the questions repeatedly. That answer will be you easily find. Mr. Govind has purchased a vehicle which has been classified under class C3. Which made Mr. Govind brought? You simply C3. Actually, you know the what is the C3 meaning. You will be no. It is motorized three-wheeled PSV LCC 6. Commercial vehicle has been categorized under various class of vehicle according to their use. Motorized three-wheeled PSV LCC 6 has been classified under class C3 as per the category of vehicle into class. Classified under class C3 is motorized three-wheeler PSV 6. In case of motor insurance claim, if the role of advocate appears to be doubtful, this misconduct must be dealt within accordance with the laid down guidance in the is advocate. Simply we choose Advocate Act. What should be the considering the fix of IDV of Motor Vehicle Act? It is depreciation, listed selling price of the car manufacturing, IDV Act. This answer is all the above. What is the term which is used to describe the damage to a person suffering from a road accident that can be calculated in monetary terms? Explanation is pecuniary damages are so calculated. Special damages has special compensation relating to actual financial loss or expenses resulting from a accident. Example: medical, surgical and hospital expenses. As per section 147(4) of the MV Act, the insurance company has to inform the concerned registering authority that the policy has not followed the cover note. The cover note will be expiry within the 7 days. Where a cover note issued by the insurer is meaning insurance company under the provision 147 of the MV Act 1998 is not followed by a policy of insurance within the prescribed time, the insurance shall have 7 days of expiry of the period of the validity of cover note. Notice the fact of the registering authority or such other authority as the state government may be prescribed. The validity of the cover note is 15 days, which cannot be exceeding 60 days. The claimant is not entitled to receive the compensation awarded on the basic negligence in which of the following cases: when the no fault liability is less than the compensation payable the basic of a fault; when the no fault liability is more than the compensation payable on the fault; when the no fault liability is equal to compensation payable of fault. Not entitled. Not entitled, I think is all are wrong answer. 2 or 3. The claimant not entitled to receive the compensation award on the basis of negligence when the fault of liability equal to compensation payable on basic fault, and when no fault liability is more than the compensation payable basic of fault. Primary is the claimant has already received the maximum compensation under the no fault liability. Mr. Madan has purchased a new car. Due to some reason, he forgot to take insurance coverage. When the purchased the car, he can drive this car in public places without insurance. You will simple to choose the right answer only, because he don't have insurance policy. He cannot drive the car. Remaining are S. Simple we only they have no insurance coverage. He cannot drive the car in public. In India, the benefit of nationalization of the insurance sector has the insurance market is more stable, increase the price of insurance policies, increase in reach. Wrong. 1 and 3. Increase the price of insurance. Okay, wrong answer, because is only 1 and 3. Benefits of insurance sector is nationalized. The insurance market is more stable and it will be increase the reach. It will be reach the all states. Tachograph which are installed in the vehicle provide what type of information? ఎలాంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ని అది మనకి ఇస్తుంది? The braking pattern of the vehicle, the distance covered by the vehicle, the stoppage done by the vehicle. I think all are correct answer. The tachograph is a device fitted the vehicle automatically recording speed, distance together which drive actively selected from a choice mode. The drive mode is the activated automatically when the vehicle in motion. It thus can be record distance traveled, stoppage and breakage pattern. Mr. Mohit unfortunately met with a car accident and died. The following damages claim were submitted his family which they will not payable. Clearly you will read the question once again. Mr. Mohit unfortunately met with a accident and he was dead. The following damages claim were submitted by family. Which of them will not be payable? None of the above, I think, because expenses of medical transmitted fear to death. Okay, it will be cover. Large disciplinary will be cover. Expenses of funeral is cover. In the process of calculating the loss repair basis, the estimates submitted by the insurance consist of heads. You will be directly choose the 3 because parts will be submitting and repair bill also submitting and denting bill separate we will submitting. You will be read one explanation. In case of process of calculating the loss on repairing basis, the estimation submitted by the insured consisting of 3 heads: list of parts and general repairs and cabin body other labor charges. The rule of third party cover under the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 are applicable to which of the following vehicle? Third party. Central government vehicles also not have that rule, and state transport only we will commercial vehicles have only third party coverages. The principle governing determination of compensation in injury disablement claims are principle of utmost good faith, principle of uniformity, principle of accessibility. I think it is only 1 or 2. Right answer is 2 and 3. There are 3 basic principles governing determination of compensation in injury disablement claims, that is principle of admissibility, principle of uniformity, principle of describability, a principle of almost good faith. A package policy covers third party damage will be covered, damages third party badly injuries. If any insurance company invests cloud-based approaches to core insurance system, what will be it will be impact? Simply you understood that insurance company invest in cloud-based approaches, it will be increased data access. Okay, it is right. There will be improvement the speed delivery of service. Okay, the operating costs will be increased. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ కంపెనీ ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేస్తే విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇంపాక్ట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇంక్రీజ్ ద డేటా యాక్సెస్. ఓకే, ఇంపాక్ట్ అనేది ఎక్కడ? ఇట్ విల్ బి ద స్పీడ్ ఆల్సో ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ద ఓన్లీ 1 and 2. I think it is correct. Insurance are required to capture all relevant data and forward it to TSC for satisfy purpose on a basis. Directly you will be tick on quarterly. Every 3 months will be IRDA is asking reports to insurance company. IRDA monitors the prompt submission and finalize the submission by a insurance. Only quarterly reports. A person buy truck for commercial use and wish to buy the insurance online. Identity the correct statement is the regards. You will be direct only commercial policy. No insurance can be brought online in insurance. Here clearly mention truck commercial using trucks. There is no buy online. He can buy the online insurance commercial truck. This specialty available only cars and two-wheelers. It is wrong. We will choose actually 4 answer because no insurance can be brought online in India. Some companies are brought online policies because two-wheeler and four-wheeler also started online policies. So we will not choose no insurance company because already some insurance companies are selling private cars. So commercial policies have not buy in online. Claim under own damage section of the motor insurance covers have some compulsory deductibles. The deductible goods carrier vehicle exceeding 65,000 simple VO 1500 rupees. GWV meaning GVW, gross weight of the vehicle, which is the term which reflecting that the victim is not directly contributing the accident. Composite negligence, non-composite, contributing negligence, I think contributing means contributing negligence. Composite negligence. First one is right answer. Section 463 of the IPC provide that whoever makes any false document of the fraud of accident or injury to the public or any other person to support any claim title or to cause any person part of with property or enter into any express or implied contract with the intent to commit fraud or that fraud may be. Simply we will learn fraud. You can choose the forgery. I think forgery. Yes, because one another person is saying that the claim because he will forgery to the claim. As per section 463 of Indian Penal Code, provide a intention of deceive, whether it is from any expectation of advantages of third party himself or from evil to the others. Last, I think wrong, fraud. Fraud under section 463 of IPC provide is the fraud to expectation of advantages to party himself from ill will be towards the other is immaterial. It is those responsibility to check that there are no uninjured vehicle plying on roads. Insurance company will not responsibility for vehicle under flying the roads. It is responsibility for police or transport department. What is the roadside assistance provided under a motor insurance company? Roadside assistance service is the provide snacks, not providing snacks and beverage. Instead providing is car breakdown. Roadside assistance will be provided only breakdowns. Necessary resting, not providing any drivers and passengers. GPS service is not providing. He can met with accident also, not providing only roadside assistance, only breakdown purpose he will providing only breakdowns. What is the formula calculated to total loss value of vehicle on the date of loss? For calculating computing total loss value of the vehicle date of loss, the formula being applicable: total loss without salvage, x plus y. X is being depreciation, y being depreciated value of the body. Total loss without salvage, depreciation cost of chassis and value of the bodies and excess policy excess. In the MV Act 1988 providing the fixing mode of calculating compensation of third party accident claim due to fatal accident, Schedule 2 is the right answer. The Schedule 2 is the Motor Vehicle Act 1988 provide fixing the mode of calculating compensation of third party accident claims due to fatal accident based on annual income, age, life expectancy of disabled persons. Who first hear the all the first appeal to under motor claims: single judge, single bench, single attorney, division bench, division. Simply will be who will first hears. Single bench not, only single judge will be hear first appeal. Finally we will read the 15th question. I think I will do only 20 or 20 below right answers. This is my second attempt. A 1000cc car simple will be 5000. It is vehicle IDV. The repair liability is 4,60,000 because it is a total loss. We will deciding crossing 75% repair liability. The vehicle salvage is 5000. It is clearly mentioned it is a 1000cc vehicle, so the policy excess is 1000. We will 5 lakhs minus 50,000 minus 1000 rupees. The answer is 4,49,000. We will show clearly explanation. Sum of insured is IDV 5 lakhs. Salvage value is 5,000. Policy excess is 1000 rupees. Net liability is insurance will be paying insurance company. The policy excess 1000 meaning is it is below 1500cc. I think I will done only 20 right answer. I will thinking my result is being appearing. I will not answer it. The 37th one question where it is the rate of premium in motor insurance depending upon the commission expenses claim. The right answer is so. The three are right answers. My Jatakam will be completing. I will second attempts. Out of 50 questions, I am 39 questions are right, 11 is wrong. Thanks for my watching video.